What you are failing to realize about your struggle with your mental health is that your depression, anxiety, dissociation, CPTSD, whatever you're struggling with, is a result of you feeling too much. The human brain naturally shuts itself off and dissociates when there are too many feelings happening at once, when there are too many things to process. But it's really a superpower. Just like autism, ADHD, all those things, they're superpowers. To feel so intensely in a world that is running in circles, chasing their own ignorance and their own ego-fueled habits is a literal superpower. I hope you begin to understand that. You are consciousness. You are a particle of God. I mean, I don't care what religion you believe in. We can all agree that we were all formed from one God. If we all came from this one God, then how are we not particles thereof? If I came from my parents, I am part of their lineage, right? I share their DNA. But if you go all the way back to the first two human beings on this planet, whoever you believe they were, however you believe we came to be, then you have to have some God in your DNA, right? The longer we've been on this planet, the further we have gotten from our true purpose. Why? Because the people that actually know how powerful we are, they keep us addicted to alcohol, to pharmaceutical drugs, illicit drugs, porn, self-deprivation, self-fulfillment, right? Our egos, they keep us addicted to our egos for a reason. That is why we are all so depressed. We are not here to fulfill our egos. We are here to fulfill our souls. If you are stuck in a loop, my loop was addiction to illicit drugs, addiction to toxic men, addiction to basically self-destructing. I have felt too many feelings from the time I was born, and I was told from the time I was a little girl, you can't act like this. You have to sit down and be pretty and be quiet, and don't you dare talk back to your grandfather, and don't you dare stick up to these men. They know, the government knows what they're doing. This is what I was taught as a child. Go to church every Sunday, go to CCD, because they know what they're doing. These popes and pastors and whatnot. No. The only person who knows what the fuck you're doing is you. The only person that knows what fulfills your soul is you. You are depressed, you are anxious, you are stuck in this toxic loop because you have not taken your power back. I have taken my power back from so many fucking places. You won't believe how the universe responds to you when you know who the fuck you are. When you know that your heart had pure intentions and pure love in everything it's doing. I have lied, I have deceived, I have manipulated a lot, especially in my addiction. But my object was never to destroy another human being. My object was never to hurt anyone. I might have been taken over by the devil for a while. Who I am at the core of my being is someone who loves and someone who wants to help any person I come in contact with. Now, that has definitely also been an obstacle in my life because I chose to love and continuously help the wrong people. When I chose to love and help myself, me, the person experiencing this reality in my body, why would I prioritize anyone else? Because no one else knows every experience I have. No one else knows why I'm depressed, anxious, I have CPTSD. No one else knows the demons I've faced except for me. Who else is gonna battle them? There is no one coming to save you. But here's the good news, you can save you. It's an ongoing process, it's shadow work, it's healing yourself from the inside out. I promise you can do it. I promise you can escape this cage that you have built around yourself. Whether it's addiction, whether it's toxic relationships, whether it's wanting to escape your own reality, so create a reality you don't want to escape from. And if you say, well, I don't have the means to do it, yes, you do. It is all inside of you, I promise, because I'm doing it. First, I had to heal from SA, then EDs that I had in my early 20s. Then it was healing from the addiction, right? Because I was a heroin addict and I've been sober 5 years now. But this time in sobriety was the real major spiritual awakening, and I've just had one after the other. Once I learned how to prioritize myself, it's like, oh wait, all these relationships I'm pouring into, they are just not helping me get where I want to be. Especially the main one was an 18-year trauma bond I had with a narcissist. We have children together. It was seemingly impossible to leave. And that was the most recent awakening. But let me tell you, it catapulted me into a reality I've been trying to create for decades. If you feel like you are stuck, you aren't. You're keeping yourself that way. I love you. Wake up, my friends. We need love right now, more than anything.